Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you guys how you could achieve this no makeup look. If you are interested, please keep on watching and please make sure you subscribe to my channel. So I think I dropped something. Anyways, this is what this look looks like in natural lighting, and it is literally my favorite look because without using a whole lot of products you could still achieve a really nice look. So first things first, sunscreen is very important, so that is what I'm doing right now. I'm going to be applying it all over my face, and then moving on to brows. I'm using my go-to product, which is the Anastasia Dip Brow, and this is in the shade Ebony, and the brush I'm using is from a brand called Stellasi. It is probably my favorite brush to do my brows with. So as you can see, I have shaved the tail of my eyebrows, and if you want to know why I do that, then make sure you watch my previous video. I will leave a link down below in the description and that will answer your questions. Next, I am going to prime my face. Well, not my entire face, just the oily areas. I'm using a primer by Huda Beauty. This is their Matte Perfection primer, and this is going to go on my eyelids because it gets oily sometimes, and also around my nose. And this step, the next step, is totally optional. I usually just skip this and go straight to the powder part, but if you have any dark circles or anything you want to conceal, then you could definitely do this step. Basically, I'm just mixing a foundation with the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer because the concealer is very thick. So I'm just gonna mix it, and this is gonna go under my eyes and kind of around my mouth. So for contour, I'm going to use a cream contour, and this is a foundation stick by Iconic London. I will leave all the products and details down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check it out. I'm not going to go for a dramatic contour, just something very subtle, and the reason I'm using cream is because cream contour, in my opinion, looks more natural and it just looks nicer in general. And then to set the face, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Plus foundation, the powder foundation, and I'm using a small kabuki brush by Motives Cosmetics. This is literally the softest brush ever, and I am going to apply a very thin layer of product powder all over my face. So this is my favorite part, it's blush, and this blush is by BH Cosmetics. It's amazing, and as you can see, I am applying blush all over my face, and that is kind of like my little trick I do. Sometimes I don't use any makeup, I will just put on some blush and it just gives you this amazing beautiful sun-kissed glow. And then I like to go in with a beauty blender and kind of dab it all over my face because it will remove any excess powder product, and also it will just make it look so much nicer. And for lipstick, I get asked what I use on my lips all the time, and the reason I don't always mention it in the description is because I usually mix a lot of different shades. As you can see, I am using 3 different lip products, a lip liner and 2 different liquid lipsticks. I will leave the exact shades I used down below. And for eyelashes, the first thing I'm going to be doing is curling them. It's kind of difficult. I have really round eyes, so it's kind of difficult to curl them perfectly, so I kind of just go over my lashes twice just to make sure I get my ends curled properly. And then I am using 2 different mascaras. The first one is by Essence Cosmetics. I usually love their mascaras, they're pretty good. And also the second one I'm going to be using is by Motives Cosmetics. And that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed my no makeup look. If you did, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below and let me know what other videos you would like to see on this channel. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do. It's at Rochelle Wick, and that is it. I will see you guys next time, and thank you so much for watching.